Hello everyone. Today we are going to make barrel. So let's start. Delete the cube. Go to front mode. We'll add the cylinder. Shift A, mesh and cylinder. Make vertices 10. Because we are going to make low poly barrel, select it and scale it to Z axis. So S, Z and scale. Now go to edit mode, press tab, Ctrl R and add two edge loops. This edge loop to little up and select this. So select this edge loop and move little down. Now select both and scale and try to give a barrel shape. Now go to face mode. Select these faces and duplicate this. Shift D and scale to Z axis as Z to make it small. Now we'll separate it out from the barrel. Press P and selection. So now we have two objects. One, this one, and one is the cylinder. Now select this, take it up, go to edit mode, select all, right click and extrude face along normals and extrude little bit, extrude little bit out. Now copy. We'll make the duplicate. Shift D and drag it down here. So now select this two and we'll join the object. Press Ctrl G. Now let's hide this. Select the barrel, edit mode, face, select the top face, press I and insert. And now press E and extrude down. Go to edge mode and select all edges. Now Ctrl B and bevel little bit. Now press 3 for the face mode and right click, extrude face along normals and extrude little down. Now unhide this. Now we will do texturing. Go to shading tab and let's turn on this screencast keys. Okay. Select the barrel, go to material properties, add the material, give a name and here now we will give a texture. So Shift A, texture and image texture. Now press the open and select the texture. Connect the color with the base color of the principal BSDF. Now here you can see the wood grains are horizontal. We need it vertical, so we need to do UV mapping. So now go to UV editing. Here texture image is not visible, so select drop down and select here, so we can see the texture here. Now select the barrel. For edit mode, press tab, press A to select all, deselect these two faces, and now U and cylinder projection, and select the align to object. Now select all and RY90 will rotate it to y-axis 90 degree. So now you can see the wood grains are vertical. Now unhide this metal, select that and new material, metal, and now go to shading, Shift A, texture, image texture, open and select the albedo material, connect color to the base color. Now we'll add one more texture, Shift A, texture, image texture, open, and we'll add the height map. Open image, Shift A, converter and math, and now here select the multiply, connect the color to the value and this value to the displacement. If we connect to the displacement, we can see here the texture. Now let's set the value. We'll reduce the value now little bit. I think this much is okay. Now give metallic 1, specular 0.5 and roughness is 0.3. Let's go to modeling tab and see the material. No, I think this is okay. I feel the metallic is little more, so let's reduce it to 0.8. Okay, now it is fine. Now for this one we will give a green color. So go to edit mode, select the face, add the new material, and here select the emission, assign, and let's give the strength 5. Now here also it should be a dark brown colors. So first let's give a brown, I think this is fine. Now select all, and assign. So let's make it little dark.